Hello, I'm Ishi. Today we are going to unbox an electric guitar. This electric guitar set is a Squier by Fender Affinity Series HSS Stratocaster. This set includes an electric guitar, a Fender frontman 15G amplifier, a Fender padded gig bag, a 10-feet cable, a strap, and picks. This box also includes a 3 months worth of online guitar lessons by Fender Play. Let's do the unboxing. First one is the electric guitar. It is quite heavy. It has some for volume, tone, and another one. Is the Fender padded gig bag. Instructions. The strap. The 10 feet cable. Then there are 3 picks. This is the prepaid card for the Fender Play online lessons. It's the Fender frontman 15G amplifier. Let's set up the electric guitar. This is the power supply cord. Put it here. Now this is the 10 feet cord. We'll put it on the amplifier and the electric guitar. That's it for the unboxing. See you for the next vlog.